Don't get the line in the picture.
Right now we're at Animal Kingdom and looking at the girls.
You saw him again.